जाएगा, दुनिया नहीं दिखेगा तो भाग जाएगा। अभी देखो, बेटा है ना, ऊपर सीट पे, ऐसे नहीं पसंद।
Make some noise. Please welcome Sara Ali Khan. Can I have the mic? Good evening, Sara. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much for having me.
How does it feel?
Overwhelming, amazing.
Butterflies in the stomach on Thursday night?
Butterflies in the stomach on Thursday night, and how everywhere butterflies, like all over to the toes and the eyes everywhere. I mean, it's really, it's so overwhelming and feels really unreal.
I can only see phones outside. I can hardly see people looking at us. It's all phones. Guys, do you want to come and meet Sara? अच्छा, इतना आसान थोड़ी है.
बहुत ही आसान है, यहीं तो खड़ी हूँ, मिल तो रहे हो मुझसे.
How was it working with Abhishek Kapoor?
Really, I mean, it was an experience that I will always remember and always cherish. I mean, he had his eye on me on the monitor throughout, you know, take after take. He was just there for me, and so was my whole crew. And it's just been the most beautiful experience to be able to work on this film.
And why Kedarnath? What made you go
You
for
watched it?
No, I haven't yet.
So watch it and you'll know.
Yeah?
Yes, I promise you. I mean, it's just the most beautiful script I've ever heard. It's the most lovely love story. It's treated so beautifully. It's so innocent. It's so new. It's so fresh. And you know, I mean, it's got the most lovely vibe. You know, when I went to Kedarnath for the first time, I still remember the positivity that I felt there. And I really believe that we've managed to translate some of that on screen. So that's why.
It is actually fresh, as you said, you know, because in 2013 the tragedy happened, and
Yes.
you know, making a movie out of such a recent event. Did you get the gist that people have overcome there at that place? Like they believe still, like in a day or two, people started going back there even when everything was destroyed.
You know, like right after it reopened, I mean, the faith that people have over there. And I don't know if you know this, but when the floods hit, there was a big boulder, like this really large boulder, rock, that came right behind the temple. And it actually prevented the temple from being destroyed. And it's the only structure in that entire temple town that still stands there, and it's the temple. I mean, what are the odds that a boulder would fall right behind the temple, literally bisecting the water, such that there was water and tabahi and catastrophe everywhere. लेकिन मंदिर के अंदर कुछ नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि मंदिर बच गई because of that boulder. I mean, and the faith that people have there, and they just go and they pray to that boulder. I mean, it's really, it's something else. I can't explain that energy. A little bit of it, and I'll be honest, not even 50% of it, but a certain percentage of that energy we have tried to show you guys via the film. But no one, not even us, can do justice to just the positivity, the faith, the conviction, the belief that everybody has out there. I mean, it's really something else.
Awesome. This is so good, but congratulations. And I'm sure it's going to be a wonderful weekend at the theaters.
I hope so. It's the last day of the weekend, so
All right.
it better be.
These guys don't really know. It's a surprise right now. So I'm gonna ask some questions about Sara. Whoever is answering right, only the boys, will get them
Like
here.
that, only the boys.
Only
I
the
thought
boys.
this would happen. I was quite excited for it also.
I mean, मैं होता तो ठीक है लड़कियाँ थी. All right. Okay, guys, are you excited? थोड़ा आवाज करो, क्षितिज. Okay, I'm gonna ask you 3 questions. Whoever answers that correctly, I'll get you up on the stage, all right? And then I'll tell you what to do. एक statutory warning, थोड़ा दूर रहना, ठीक है? पहले मैं खड़ा हूँ यहाँ पे. All right. सारा अली खान का बर्थडे किसे पता है? होमवर्क गूगल रेडी है? ओके. सारा अली खान का फेवरेट फूड, which she misses right now? क्या? No. What is he saying? Huh? Yeah, chole bhature. I've done my homework.
How do you know? I was just wondering.
I've done my homework. She misses it. She wishes that उसके हाथ छोले भटूरे से मिल जाए जल्दी.
Oh, वो इंटरव्यू देखा है आपने?
और बताओ. All right, come. Third question and the last one. सच सच बताना, हैज एनीवन सीन केदारनाथ? किसने देखी है?
Promise you're not online, no?
कुछ पूछ सकते हैं उनको. Who has seen it? Okay, फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो कोई गया था? कौन गया था? आजा 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 ऊपर आ. You went first day first show.
That's amazing.
Come, what is your name? रविंद्र कुमार. ठीक है, देखो यहीं पे खड़ा रहना, लक्ष्मण रेखा. ठीक है. What's your name? You can meet. That is Sara Ali Khan. Okay, boys, come this side. जल्दी आना, hero. First day first show. Run, बाबा, run. इतना टाइम थोड़ी लगाएगा. Okay. What is your name? First day first show. He's here right here. पता नहीं इतना टाइम क्यों लगा, मैं होता तो इधर से आ जाता. What's your name? आदित्य. First day first show. Not bad, हाँ? कुछ पूछो उसको. सच्ची में मूवी देखी है, उसको टेस्ट लेते हैं इसका.
अभी अगर टेस्ट होंगे सबके सामने और जिन्होंने नहीं देखी है तो फिर वांदा हो जाएगा.
वो भी है. Did you go to the theater secretly?
Listen, did I is not the right question. Will I is the right question.
Yeah?
I'm going right after this.
Oh, what show and where?
I'm going for the 11:15 show in Icon.
देखो भाई, पता चल गया. Okay, very simple. क्या करना है? पता है? कैसे होगा नहीं पता. I'll tell you. सारा को impress करना है, ठीक है? Now, she knows a lot about women on social media. कैसी होती है, like blogger type and all that. But now, right now, you are getting one chance to impress her, ठीक है? दूर से. बहुत important है.
वो तो बहुत मुश्किल होता है ना, दूर से लोग कैसे impress करते हैं?
ऐसे नहीं करना impress, ठीक है? Okay, so you can one guy who will win. Obviously, you will see. We will make you dance on Sweetheart with her. चलो,
ऐसी वाली बात है?
मैं भी नाचूंगा. चलो, who is coming first? रविंद्र तू आए. क्यों? अबे ऐसा मौका नहीं मिलता बार-बार. किसको आना है और? चलो, what are you gonna do? Okay, you got one chance to impress her. Come on, you got 60 seconds. What are you gonna do? This is what he's going to do. Push-ups कर पाएगा? Push-ups कर.
मैं push-up से impress होंगी आपको लगता है?
नहीं, मुझे पता है. Okay, I'll tell you. I know this because I've done my homework. What do you think that attracts Sara? What do you think? क्या? No, not long curly hair. What is it? It's humor.
Who said that?
I.
Oh. Listen, you know too much. Like, how is this happening?
I know. ऐसे करते हैं impress. कुछ कर. चल ठीक है, तू fail हो गया. You want to get on your knees and do what? You want to propose? चलो let's see. फिल्मी propose करेंगे. चलो देखते हैं.
You're the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. You're like a camera. Whenever I look at you, I smile. Would you like to hold my hand?
हाथ इसमें shake कर रहे हैं.
Wow!
ये पहला प्रपोजल देखा है, नीचे बैठ के कह रहा, would you like to hold my hand?
हाँ, चलो.
ये ब्लश कर रहा है, सच में प्यार हो गया इसको. वाओ. अच्छा.
इससे एक हाथ बोला था मैंने, दोनों दे दिए और यहाँ बोल रहे हो आसान नहीं है. इतना आसान है.
मुझे पहले पता होता मैं अंगूठी ले आता. मारेंगे आज, मारेंगे. सॉरी सैफ अंकल. सॉरी. What are you going to do? प्रपोज क्यों? कुछ अलग.
I'll also मतलब द्रौपदी खड़ी
Now you know humor attracts her. तो बताओ. Do you joke बोलेगा? चल ट्राई कर.
फनी वाला यार प्लीज, बहुत लंबा दिन हो गया.
संटा ने बंटा को ऐसा क्या बोला कि वो मर गया?
क्या बोला?
डिश क्या?
इम्प्रेस करना था, इम्प्रेस. चलो लेट्स. ओके, यू नो व्हाट, तुमने कुछ किया नहीं लेकिन फिर भी अब करेगा. नहीं अब ठीक, एक ही चांस मिलता है.
टास्क मतलब ये हकीरीस थोड़ी है, मतलब लड़की खड़ी है, यू कैन गिव मी अ टास्क, अंदर से निकलनी चाहिए टास्क आपकी.
ओके, वी प्ले स्वीटहार्ट. Chalo, let's play Sweetheart. Everyone, will you can also dance वहाँ से. Can we cue the song please? You're getting a chance of a lifetime. कुछ कर लेना, dance करना. Sweetheart, on repeat. Chalo, play the track please. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you. Jaldi se वापस चले जाओ audience में. Thank you. All right. Before we let Sara go, Sara, now that you have spent some time with me on the stage, which is the best day of my life today.
Lovely.
Before we let you go, we have a small token of appreciation. Mehak, would you please come up and
good whether it is a critic or the audience or the fans, they're loving you.
Thank
Even
you.
someone has said you overshadow. There's so many, I don't know to name anyone. How do you how's the feeling altogether?
You know, I think that as a film, Kedarnath is just so special to me. So I'm thoroughly appreciative for anybody that appreciates the work that I've done, because it's something that I'll always hold very, very dear to me. So thank you for all those people that have nice things to say about Kedarnath.
Even critics says a star is born. There'll be a hard competition to all the participants who are already a star. For example, Alia, Shraddha. There's so many.
देखो आप बहुत आगे चले गए. आलिया श्रद्धा बहुत ही बड़े स्टार है, लेकिन अगर किसी को भी मेरा काम अच्छा लग रहा है तो मैं बस उनको धन्यवाद बोलना चाहूँगी और ये प्रॉमिस करना चाहूँगी कि आगे जाके और भी मेहनत करूँगी और भी ईमानदारी से इंशाल्लाह और भी काम करूँगी.
आइकॉन में जा रही हैं आप, रिस्पॉन्स देखने के लिए आपने आइकॉन क्यों चुना, गेटी क्यों नहीं चुना वहाँ और नॉर्मल ऑडियंस में?
गेटी चली गई मैं.
अच्छा, यू हैव बीन टू गेटी. आई एम सो सॉरी. सो गेटी, अब यहाँ आइकॉन में जाने का इरादा कैसे बना?
मैं हर जगह जाऊंगी, मेरी पिक्चर है, मैं बार बार जाऊंगी. आप भी बार बार जाइए, बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शन मेरे बढ़ाइए, वही मैं कर रही हूँ और आप भी कीजिए. थैंक यू
सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच.